Hi, this is just to demonstrate that all the software that I installed are working properly. So right now I'm on the Viz Studio. So here, folder, I don't have any open folder yet. So I'm going to the file, then open folder, and go to the documents that where the GitHub is. So this is connected to my GitHub desktop. So I'll open the GitHub and here is my file and then open folder. So as you can see, I already have all the JSON file and then app.java. So this came out after, this was created after I created the Maven here, which from here. So you can't see here right now because it was right here earlier. So if I see here, there. So I'll show you that the Maven is working. So here, hello world. I'm going to the life cycle and then it compile. Wait, let me open the Java first and delete this. And then Maven, then compile and then run it. So there. So looks like it's working. And now I'm going to run and debug using this. So there. So it says hello world. And then if I want to change something, so as you can see, it's hello world and hello earth because I already edited it earlier. So if I wanna change something, let's say delete this part and say hi to you all dot and then file save. So if I go to my GitHub desktop and here changes, I'll say I added the hi to you all that then commit push to origin. Let's see if it's working. If it change it, then there. So as you can see, it changed also here in the GitHub desktop. So I think everything are working properly. So I'll go back to the VS Studio. So there you go. So that's it. Thank you.